Hi guys, it's Elisa at Moat Cottage, and today I'm going to make some mulled wine. I've just been out picking a variety of different citrus fruits that we grow here at Moat Cottage, and something I love to have on a cold winter's evening is a glass of mulled wine. It's a real treat. So today I'm going to show you how I make it. It's so easy. This is going to be cooked in a slow cooker. So this is my slow cooker dish, and first up we have a bottle of Merlot. You could choose Shiraz or another variety of red if you prefer, but I really like Merlot, and this is a really nice local variety from central Victoria, which is just near here. Next we put in a sliced orange, 2 cinnamon sticks, the equivalent of 2 anise seed, and I've got 7 cloves. And then I just squeeze in the juice of 2 oranges. I'll leave the recipe in the description below so you can access it easily so you can make it yourself. Then I pop it in the slow cooker on high initially to get it warmed up, and we have it in there for 3 hours, and we will turn it down to low after it heats up. While that's cooking, the smell that permeates throughout the house is absolutely amazing. It's worth it even if you don't drink it. It's that good. Anyway, I'll just talk about the citrus that we used for making this. Because we slice it up and it gets put into the drink that we're drinking, you want to make sure that it is homegrown fruit or off a tree that hasn't been sprayed, so you know what's on it. I'm not sure what they do to citrus that you buy in the shops, whether they've been waxed or they've been sprayed with chemicals or whatever. I actually don't know. So either buy organic, where you know it hasn't been treated with anything, or if you're lucky enough to grow it yourself, you can use the ones that you grow. After the 3 hours is up, we're going to pop half a cup of honey into the mulled wine and mix it in, and then it will be ready to drink. Cheers to the Moat Cottage community. Oh yeah, that's really good. I'm going to be making up a batch of marmalade with the rest of this lot of citrus, but let me know in the comments below what you like to do with your citrus. I'd love some ideas. I've still got a bit left on the trees. Thanks for watching. See you next time.